I've been going through my number 10 cans and stuff in the storage. Came across this number 10 can of diced carrots that I bought a few years ago. I think they were like $2 for the whole can, something like that, at Walmart on sale. And I noticed that this one's got some rust and everything forming on the outside of the can, so it is time to open these up and freeze dry them. Oh, some pretty carrots. Alright, I'm going to go drain these and I'll be right back. Alright, so the can said 6.5 pounds. Actually 6.9 pounds. 6 pounds 9 ounces. We're going to put 2.5 pounds per tray, because I've only got 2 slots available in this run, my next run. So let's see how much we'll have left over. Alright, that's exactly 2.5 pounds. So if I take my dividers and do them like this, which is 4 by 2, 4 by 2, and 2 by 2, so that would give me, 2 of those would give me 1 pound, 2 of those would give me 2 pounds, and 2 of these little half squares would give me ½ pound. That's 2.5 pounds freeze dried before freeze drying them. And that's how we're going to package them. That way I can say in each package there is 1 pound of carrots. Alright, so there's tray number 1. Alright, so we're going to have to rethink that, because even though the can said it had 6 pounds 9 ounces, is that right, what it said? Yeah, 6 pounds 9 ounces. Let me get that in there, see? We only ended up with 2.5, 3.5, 4 pounds, about 4.5 pounds. So I'm going to balance these out, and that's how we're going to freeze dry them. Get my calculator. So we got 2.5 plus 1.88 is 4.38 pounds of carrots. Divide that by 2. So I need 2.19 pounds on each tray. Okay, so now we're going to rethink how we're going to divide this up. So each one of those is 2.19 pounds. So we're going to call them 2 pounds each, just to make nice smooth math. It'll be just a little bit more than 2 pounds each. So what we're going to do is divide those into 4. For all intents and purposes, we're going to call each square a ½ pound, and we'll package it accordingly. Probably just package them in ½ pounds. I don't know, we'll see. Might use my bigger pouches and package them as a pound. So there we go, just over 2 pounds each tray. Get these in the freezer, get them frozen solid, and into the freeze dryer. I'll see you when they come out. Okay, so there we have it. My standard 40 plus hours diced carrots in the freeze dryer. If you recall, we put these in ½ pound roughly squares, so we are going to package them, I think, in ½ pound squares. So all I'm going to do is just go in here and put 1 square in each bag. Alright, so we got each of those with approximately 8 ounces of rehydrated carrots. So let's drop a 300cc O2 absorber in each bag. We'll go ahead and zip that shut. Alright, we'll get a heat seal on those.